to edit this type of disappearing video? This is actually very simple. So a lot of people ask that I should drop the tutorial of this particular disappearing video. So here you have it. Now, in few minutes, I'm going to be guiding you practical steps on how to edit this particular disappearing video. But I want you to be practicing everything you are learning. Everything you see me teaching you is because I want you to practice it on your page, because you never can tell what will help you on your own page. All right, share this video and let's go.
So you go ahead and open your CapCut, and when you open it, it's going to bring you to this place. So you click on new video. All right, now let's select our video that we want to use. For example, you have to record your video playing this character. You can see the character I'm playing. Then you walk into it, you knock, you walk into it, and then you stand. Then bring the video into CapCut. So now when you bring the video into CapCut, the next thing we're going to do is let's manually move to where we knock. You can see me knocking, right? So then click on your overlay, then add overlay. So now when you click on your add overlay, go ahead and bring your fire. You can download from YouTube or anywhere, all right? So now click on add. So this is the fire. And in case you don't know, let me know in the comment section. So now we are going to remove this black background by using splice. So click on the splice and then click on filter. You can see that filter. This allows us to take away the black background. All right, so now you can see the black background is off. So now what we are going to do is you properly walk into the fire, then you properly position the fire behind you to make sure that it is, you can see me properly positioning it, right? Good. So after you have properly positioned it, the next thing you're going to do now is that you are at the front of the fire. You are at the back of the fire instead of the front of the fire. So what we need to do is let's move to where you are about to enter. Then we are going to split. You can see where you are about to enter the fire, right? Then you split. You look at your split at your bottom left. So now again, let's move to where you've entered again, and then we split. You can see you have entered, then we go ahead and click on split. So now what we are going to do now is we have our black background, our empty background, and then the video we just splitted. So now we're going to be stepping down when we splitted down. So click on this overlay to step it down. So you go ahead and step it down by clicking on it. Now you can see we have just stepped it down. So the next thing we're going to do is let's trim all those excess at the end of the video. We trim them off. So you properly trim them so that none of them is longer than each other. So now let's activate this down one that we just stepped down. So after we activate it, what we need to do now is that we need to remove the background, because you can see the fire is no longer showing because it has background. So let's remove the background. So let's go to remove BG. Now look at your remove BG, then click on auto remover. Now you have just removed the background. So now you can see now I am at the front of the fire. So you are at the front of the fire. So what you're going to do now is we need to make it faint. So for us to make it faint, come to the beginning of the clip. So when you come to the beginning of the clip, then you add a keyframe. Then after adding a keyframe, go to the end of the video again and then look for opacity. Opacity allows you to make it faint. All right. So click on your opacity and then reduce it to 0. So when you reduce it to 0, you are going to be having it this way. You can see me. You can see the way I faint or I look faint. So this how you create this disappearing format. All right, it's as easy as that. You can see you look faint now. So after you've confirmed it and everything is fine, you go ahead and hit export button. So this is actually very simple to do. So all you just need to do, you share this video so that others get to see how to create a disappearing videos like this, and you can go and watch other of my interesting videos or tutorial which can help you be a better content creator or at what you do. All right, thank you.